In this video, we're going to learn how to clear in and out points, which means removing the marked selection range from your timeline. Sometimes after setting in and out points, Premiere will only play or export that selected section. So it's important to know how to remove them properly. Let's start. First, make sure your sequence is selected and your timeline is active. Now go to the menu bar at the top and click on Markers. Inside the Markers menu, you'll see three options: Clear in, Clear out, Clear in and out. If you want to remove both points at once, simply click Clear in and out. The highlighted area on the timeline ruler will immediately disappear. If you only want to remove one point, you can choose Clear in or Clear out separately. There's also another method. Here you can right-click directly on the timeline ruler and choose Clear in and out from the menu. This is a quick way to remove the selection without going to the top menu. Once cleared, Premiere will play and export the entire sequence normally, and that's it. You now know how to clear in and out points properly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.